Hey guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to use VLookup. So we are having this data wherein we are having three columns. First is inventory item, second is SKU ID, third is the price. So we are having a lot of items in different rows, and you want to know SKU ID and price of some of the items. You may be doing that for your client, or you may be searching for, let's say, some specific email IDs or addresses or names. So in this case we are trying to match the inventory item, and we are trying to get the SKU ID and prices of each of them. So how to achieve that? So we are having this item which we have to search for. So we will be just typing VLookup and then tab to complete it. After that, select the item you want to look for. So lookup value is the item you are looking for, and then where you want to look for, it would be this entire range. Just in case you will select only column 1, then only you will be getting the column 1 items in the match area. So you won't be getting SKU ID and price, so you need to define the entire range so that you can able to get that data as well. And you will understand this after we are done with this specific step. So comma, then what is the column ID of the value you are looking for? So here the column ID or the column number is 2, so it will give us this value. So after matching this value with any of the items, it will search for the respective or corresponding value of that item, and in the column 2. Just in case you will do column 3, then it will show you the value of the corresponding item which matched. So column 3, and so we are gonna do exact match, which is 0, and since it is not matching, we will just replace it with any of the items. So let's say Mike. Now since it exactly matched, it is telling us the wrong data, so type 2, then it is matching with this particular data, and the price would be, again, if we look up this value in the region this, comma, column 3, approximate match or exact match, E0, yeah, 213. Likewise you can do this for this particular data, but in this case the range has changed a bit. So what you can do is you can use absolute numbers, which is, if you will, use this. So what you're doing is we are just trying to, so here we are just trying to give the absolute variables, so using dollar symbol, and then 2 would be same because that would be column 2. Yeah, so we are pretty much done. So just in case we'll pull this down over here, it will give us correct data. Yeah, so let's check newspaper, this is the value. Yes, had it been the case where there would have been 10,000 items manually, it would have been really crazy to do all of this. So that's why VLookup is a savior. It saves a lot of time.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.